Hey guys, I'm here with my bag I got from Home Depot. I wanted y'all to see me unboxing it. Well, unbagging it now. Since they use the simplest way to send things. They delivered to the store because they ran out after I had ordered it when they said it was supposed to be in the store. But anyway, y'all, this is a 45-gallon planter, and the one I got in the mail I believe was 65 gallons. So anyway, y'all, this is how it looks. It is one of those root pouch containers, and it's pretty big, y'all. So I'm going to plant some flowers for the pollinators. I'm gonna fill up the bottom with topsoil and some other filler, and then put the top with the garden manure and compost. Save me a few bucks. Hope you're having a wonderful and blessed day no matter where y'all are, and that you're trying to save you some money. Hopefully I'll have lots of success growing some pollinators for the bees and the flowers, etc. Bye.